pump sprayer that was given to me by Haushof. That is the brand name. This is pressurized, so you can just like pump the pressure here. And then also like multi-use, you can use this for gardening, for watering, and for like spraying insecticides or pesticides. You can use this to like wash your car or your motorcycle or your bike. You can use this to disinfect your house, and also like to clean up your wall or even your like windows. So this has many uses. And then if you need to change, you just need to release the pressure from here and then change it into like this one. This is a jet. So let's try the jet. Jet is perfect, so you can just put soap and water, and then you can use this to wash your car. So it's more of highly pressurized. It has a vertical line here, or a vertical opening, and then you can use this to wash your car. This is a large 2-liter capacity sprayer. I highly recommend this pump sprayer from Haushof.